हेलो लर्नर्स, दिस इज योर केपी साहब कृष्ण प्रकाश। कैसे बच्चे लोग, सब ठीक है ना? हमारा टॉपर सीरीज में अभी तक हम क्वेश्चंस करके चल रहा है। आज हम कर रहा है छोटा सा टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन करके द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड टिपिकल टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन करने के बाद इनका न्यूमेरिकल भी बात करेंगे। कम टाइम में, छोटा सा टाइम में थोड़ा मुश्किल होने वाला टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन करके और इनका न्यूमेरिकल भी सॉल्व करेंगे। आज हमारा टॉपिक होता है आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ। आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ इज द टॉपिक द मोस्ट रिपीटेड इन गेट ईवीएस पेपर। 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन में आ गया केमिस्ट्री से। गेट एनवायरमेंटल साइंस पेपर में सेम क्वेश्चन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में आने की पॉसिबल होता है, क्योंकि वाटर क्वालिटी एनालिसिस में आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा। वाटर क्वालिटी डिसाइड करेंगे आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ का वजह से। इन रेगुलर गेट सिविल पेपर पॉसिबिलिटी इज देयर। अभी तक तो नहीं आ गया, बट आगे बढ़ने में आने का चांसेस बहुत है। और गेट ईवीएस पेपर में तो ऑलरेडी 2 बार दिया। गेट ईवीएस पेपर अभी तक 4 बार हो गया। ओनली 4 पेपर्स आर देयर गेट ईवीएस। 4 पेपर्स में 2 बार दिया, मींस दैट मच इंपॉर्टेंट द टॉपिक ऑफ आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ। आज हम डिटेल्ड में बात करेंगे आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ क्या होता है, कैसा निकलना, हाउ टू सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल्स रिलेटेड टू इट। अब बात कर रहे अनअकैडमी सब्सक्रिप्शन का बारे में। यू आर गेटिंग द अनअकैडमीज बेस्ट एवर प्राइज 8,499 में 2 सब्सक्रिप्शन। गेट सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का सब्सक्रिप्शन भी मिल रहा है, गेट एनवायरमेंटल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग का सब्सक्रिप्शन भी मिलेगा। 2 सब्सक्रिप्शन एक साथ में 8,499 में। और आपको बहुत अच्छे गाइडेंस होने के लिए हमारा बिलाउड केपी सर का कोड केपी सिविल यूज करो। आ जाओ अनअकैडमी में, बेस्ट क्वालिटी कंटेंट मिलेगा। आपको फोड़ देंगे रे बाबू टॉप रैंक लाने के लिए। और इंडिया का टॉप एजुकेटर्स है अनअकैडमी में, कोई डाउट नहीं। द मोस्ट एक्सपीरियंस्ड टीचर्स इन देयर रेस्पेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट्स दे आर टीचिंग इन अनअकैडमी, देयर इज नो डाउट रिगार्डिंग इट। अभी अभी तुरंत ले लो, नया बैच शुरू हो रहा है। हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं इरिगेशन से दिस 18 अगस्त में। 18 अगस्त 9 AM आई एम स्टार्टिंग इरिगेशन इंजीनियरिंग। तुरंत अभी अभी ले लो, यूज अवर यूनिवर्सल कोड केपी सिविल टू गेट अनअकैडमी सब्सक्रिप्शन। अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं किसका बारे में? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ। कुछ तो कुछ पता है आपको? व्हाट इज आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ? कुछ तो कुछ पता है? आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ इज द स्ट्रेंथ या कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ आयॉन्स इन ए गिवन सॉल्यूशन। एक सॉल्यूशन दिया हमको, सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? इन केमिस्ट्री देयर में बी सो मेनी केमिकल सॉल्यूशंस, बट हम इधर कभी भी केमिकल सॉल्यूशन का ना बात करेंगे। ऑलवेज इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग मींस एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग ऑफ सिविल और टोटल ईवीएस पेपर में हमारा सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? पानी, वाटर। Obviously, our solution is water because we talk about water quality, water pollution, water treatment. हमारा solution always it is a water. The strength of ions in water, which represents concentration of ions in a given solution. Ionic strength is said to be the strength represented by concentration of ions in a given water solution or a given chemical solution, based on their concentration and valency. चार्ज या वैलेंसी का वजह से, अमाउंट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन का वजह से, व्हाट शुड बी आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ और स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ए केमिकल सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड अंडर आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ. So we can say it as ionic strength, measure of concentration of ions measure of concentration of ions in a solution. In a solution, एक solution में बोल सकते हैं और water, पानी. So the measure of concentration of ions in a solution or water. Water में क्या होता है ionic strength, और chemical solution में क्या होता है, what is the measure of concentration of ions in a given solution or given water. So it depends on two factors. It depends on two factors. What is the molar concentration of ion in that solution? In the given solution, for example, you talk about water. In water, what is molar concentration of a specific ion? Second one, what is the charge of given ion? Charge of ion we represent with respect to, always obviously charge of ion we discuss in terms of valency. Yes or no? Charge means we say calcium Ca plus 2. So what is the charge here? Plus 2. If you talk about chlorine, we say Cl minus. Minus means minus 1. So charge of ion का बारे में बोल सकते हम, valency बोल सकते. That valency, these are the two properties which decide about ionic strength. Ionic strength का बारे में decide करने वाला factors होता है molar concentration of the given ion and charge of the given ion. That is nothing but valency. So we can write an equation for ionic strength. So this is clear now. What is ionic strength is clear to you. What is ionic strength is very clear to you. Determining strength of various ions in a given solution based on its molar concentration, based on its charge. Then next we are going to write about, next we discuss a formula. What is the formula for ionic strength? Ionic strength is represented by letter I. Ionic strength को हम बोल सकते with the letter I. Half into sum of individual concentration into individual charge square. Half into sum of individual concentration into individual charge. Z is representing valency or charge square. So हम ये ऐसा लिख सकता है half into C1Z1 square, C2Z2 square, C3Z3 square, and so on, CnZn square. What is this? Because if we talk about water, पानी में सिर्फ एक आयन नहीं होता है ना. Water does not contain only one ion. Water carry sodium chloride, carrying sodium ion, chloride ion. Water carry zinc chloride, again Zn ion, chloride ion. Water carry calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Calcium ion is there, hydroxyl ion is there. So many different ions, na? Sodium, magnesium, chlorine, like the different ions are there. Na? Every ion individual concentration, every ion individual valency square, that gives ionic strength. So what we can represent by this ionic strength? We can say ionic strength is, it is half of the, we are taking half of the sum of product, na, sum of the product of, very important, sum of the product of, product we have taken, this is the product, half of the sum of the product of kya? What is product of? Individual ion concentration, individual ionic concentration. Please understand ionic strength ka expression in terms of formula what we write letters, because there may be a theoretical question related to it. Half of the sum of the product of individual ionic concentration and square of charge. Square of ionic charge. That is ionic strength. Very clearly, first you are taking half, sum of the, you are adding all individual products. Products क्या है? C1Z1 square, C2Z2 square, C3Z3 square. Products. Sum of the product of individual ionic concentration and the square of ionic charge. Square of ionic charge. That is ionic strength. So generally what units we represent for ionic strength? Ionic strength generally we express in the units of molarity M. Molarity M. Ionic strength generally we express in the units of molarity M. कभी कभी ऐसा भी बोल सकता है, we can write in other units also, like we can express in mole per kg, mole per meter cube, mole per liter. Depending upon given data, generally it can express with respect to the units of molarity only. In general हम इनको molarity units में बोल सकता है, but कभी कभी sometimes we express standard units mole per kg, mole per liter, mole per meter cube. Then why ionic strength is important? Why ionic strength is important? Ionic strength is important in finding activity number. For chemicals, we are talking, when we talk about chemistry, ionic strength is very important in finding activity number. Debye-Heckel theory. Heckel theory में activity number का बारे में बात करेगा. एक chemistry students को बहुत ज्यादा पता होता है. So Debye-Heckel theory में activity number determine करने के लिए ionic strength आएगा. Then very important for us means environmental engineering students, civil engineering students. Very important for us first to know about water quality and its chemical composition. Ionic concentration, water quality, whether water to be drinkable or not, water consumable or not, to know about it, ionic strength play very, very big role. Why we can say this? Why water quality में इतना important क्यों होता है? We can say, when you take distilled water का ionic strength, I am talking about ionic strength value for distilled water, 0. Because the distilled water is the purest form of water, no chemicals, no salts, no solutions, no compounds. So purest quality of water, very, very lowest ionic strength, distilled water ko we can give as 0. Then we take river water. The values are important for you. They can be asked in the exam. River water we can take 0.01 to 0.1. This is low ionic strength. We can say this river water 0.01 to 0.1. Low ionic strength we can say. Then seawater. Seawater we can give 0.7. All units are molar. 0 molar, 0.01 to 0.1 molar, 0.7 molar. Very high ionic strength, because seawater we know na. Seawater is the salt water carrying very high concentration of sodium chloride, followed by sodium sulfate, followed by sodium carbonate, and all other different types of salts. So seawater में highest 0.7 molar होता है. So when you take 1 molar NaCl, if they ask what is ionic concentration of ionic strength of 1 molar NaCl? 1 molar NaCl को 1 होता है. 1 molar NaCl carry ionic strength of 1. So every solution, it may be chemical solution, it may be water, that strength depending upon the ionic concentrations, and these values are very important for us. And also you must understand, ionic strength is the concept helps in the solubility of different chemical elements in the water. In water, rate of chemical reaction. When you perform water treatment like coagulation, chlorination. In coagulation you are adding alum and lime. In chlorination you are adding bleaching powder. That rate of chemical reaction, how fast it will act, how pH variations will take place. So that rate of chemical reaction, solubility of chemicals in water, everything depending upon the ionic strength. So ionic strength will play big important role in water quality, water analysis, and also in water treatment everywhere where we use the chemical process. So now, what are the questions we experienced previously in the GATE examination? GATE environmental science paper exclusive questions we are talking. Because civil paper till now they have not provided. So we are talking GATE environmental science paper. What is the question? Latest 2024 environmental science paper latest question we are talking. Ionic strength of a soil, ionic strength of a water containing 0.01 molar calcium chloride. Calcium chloride 0.01 molar. 0.001 molar Na2SO4. So first you consider 0.01 molar calcium chloride CaCl2. 0.01 molar CaCl2. So it carry two ions, calcium ion, chloride ion. Then you take 0.001 molar Na2SO4. Again it carry two ions, sodium SO4 minus 2. So calcium Ca plus 2, chloride Cl minus 1. So, Na2SO4 na sodium sulfate, disodium sulfate, Na plus 1, SO4 minus 2. So we have two, one is concentration, second one is Z, valency. So valency to mil jayega, Z is 2 for calcium, Ca plus 2, chlorine is 1, sodium is 1, sulfate is 2, SO4 minus 2, sulfate, total ion. We are not taking for sulfur, not taking for oxygen, combinedly for the entire SO4, it is 2. Because you may take minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1, no worries. Because check the formula, Ci into Zi square. So minus 2 whole square plus 4, minus 1 whole square plus 1. So no worries about the positive negative charge. Number is important. Z came na 2, 1, 1, 2. Now, what is concentration C? Concentration C given here, na given molar concentration. So how many calciums are here? 0.01 molar calcium, only 1. So you can take directly 0.01 molar. But chloride Cl2, CaCl2, how many chlorides are there? How many chlorides are there? 2 chlorides are there. 0.01 into 2. 2 chlorides, 0.01 into 2, 0.02 molar. Very important. So given 0.01 into 2, 0.02 molar. Then same, how many sodiums are there? 2 sodiums are there multiplied with this. 0.01 into 2 sodiums. So 0.002 molar. Understand this, 0.001 molar. 2 sodium ions are there, so that into 2, if you do 0.002 molar. But entire sulfate is 1 only, na? So 1 into 0.001. 0.001 molar. I repeat this. In calcium chloride, 1 calcium ion, 2 chlorides ion. So 1 calcium ion is there, multiply with 1, 0.01. 2 chloride ions are there, multiply with 2, 0.01 into 2, 0.02. Same Na2SO4, disodium sulfate. 2 sodium Na2, SO4 only 1. So that 2 sodium, 2 into 0.001, 0.002. Sulfate is only 1, 0.001 molar. So first you differentiate what are Z values, what are C values. Then after that you can go ahead. Our formula, substitute in our formula. Please substitute in our formula, you can get na. Ionic strength is equal to half into so I am repeating, calcium chloride 0.01 molar, 1 calcium is there, 0.01 molar, its valency, calcium valency is 2 square, plus, now this is for calcium, this is for calcium. Now I am writing for chloride ion, Cl2, 2 are there, 0.01 into 2. So 0.02 into chloride valency is 1 square, plus 0.002 because Na2SO4. Sodium ions are 2, its molarity 0.001. 0.001 into 2, 0.002. Its valency is 1 square. So this is for sodium. Now we are writing for SO4, sulfate. 0.001 into 2 square. So you can get the answer easily now. After multiplying and adding, divided by 2. So we have total 4 ions, calcium, chlorine ion, then sodium ion, sulfate ion. Individual concentrations and individual valencies we have find out. Then substituted in the formula, half into sum of CiZi square. C is concentration molarity, Z is valency charge. So substituted, and what are you getting here? what is the answer getting? 0.033. So this is a 2 marks question given in GATE 2024 paper. Please understand. If you know the logic and simple formula, thoda sa valencies though sometimes they have given, but here not provided because it is a EVS paper. Environmental paper में valencies तो नहीं दिएगा, civil paper में तो valency पक्का दिएगा. They can give in environmental, they can give in civil paper, they won't give in environmental paper. 1 to 20 ions valencies, already I shared the list in the class. Plus class I shared the list of atomic number, atomic weight, valency. All 20 ions, 1 to 20 ions. So regular ions you can by heart and you can make it possible. Then another question is there. This is GATE 2021. Again environmental paper only. But here it is, question is very easy for us. Very clearly. They have given molarity, individual ion molarity. No need to calculate. And also they have given valency +1, +2, -1, -1. Everything provided in the data directly they have given. Just 4 ions are there, 4 molecular weights, 4 molar concentrations, 4 valencies. Substitute and you get the answer here. So now ionic strength is equal to, first I am writing for sodium ion. Sodium ion molarity 0.25. So we have to take now first half into, half is important na, half into sodium ion 0.25 molarity, its valency is 1 square. Calcium ion valency 2, molarity 0.12. 0.12 into 2 square. Then chloride ion molarity 0.32, valency 1 square, plus HCO3 minus valency 1, 0.05 molarity. Even without calcium also we can solve this easily, because 0.25 plus 0.48, because 4 into 1, 2, 0.48 plus 0.32 plus 0.05. No so much calculation, but 2 marks. Question given for 2 marks. 0.55 is the ionic strength. 0.55 is the ionic strength. 2 marks question in GATE 2021. So 2025 में भी ऐसा मॉडल आने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे. आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. तो फार्मूला तो समझ हो गया आपको, फार्मूला तो समझ हो गया आपको. सो आपके लिए और एक बार सिंपल फार्मूला पता है ना. आयोनिक स्ट्रेंथ I is equal to half into 1 minute. अरे बार बार हम हाफ को भूल फॉरगेटिंग ना, वी आर फॉरगेटिंग हाफ एवरी टाइम. रिमेंबर I is equal to half into sum of Ci Zi square. Don't forget half, because one of the option may carry without half also. So ionic strength is equal to half into sum of Ci Zi square. C is molar concentration, I is charge or valency. बस 2 marks question pocket में आएगा. चलो, we'll come with more concepts. Kyoto Protocol. Next we come with new air pollution concept, Kyoto Protocol. And इतना अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट आपको फुल लेंथ कोर्स में लाने के लिए ज्वाइन अवर अनअकैडमी सब्सक्रिप्शन. बेस्ट कोर्सेस है हमारा पास. 8 महीने 8 मंथ सब्सक्रिप्शन 8,499. 1 ईयर 12 मंथ्स 9,999. सो यूज अवर यूनिवर्सल कोड, आपका केपी सार का कोड यूज करो. बेस्ट एवर कंटेंट एंड गाइडेंस टू क्रैक द एग्जाम्स मिलेगा. And share this video with your friends whoever GATE environmental science को तैयारी हो रहा है. Make GATE, every GATE environmental science preparing students to come under guidance of your beloved KP sir. Because no teacher taking care about GATE EVS, we are here to provide you the best guidance, best quality content. Subject no teacher is teaching, no questions are solved by anyone. We are solving here. Come here, join our courses and GATE 2025 environmental paper top rank. So is our KP sir students only. Okay guys, let's crack it.